Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to convert multiple image PNG to PDF in Photopea. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Photopea software. We can see here multiple image. The image is the file speed PNG. Now we want to convert this file to a PDF file. Go to the file menu, select this export as option and choose the file format PDF and wait some moment to loading the preview. We can see here the file preview. You can add the margin, otherwise decrease the margin size, otherwise you can change the name of the file or the height and weight of the file. Now I am click save option and wait some moment to saving this. We can see here the file is saving. Now I am click this show in folder option and we can see here the file is the PDF. Now we can see we convert the PNG to PDF multiple image very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.